My name is Doug Simmons. I'm the Program Director of the School of Occupational Therapy at Massachusetts College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. My role here as the Program Director is to look at the outcomes of our program, make sure that what occurs in the classroom is preparing students for their national board examination, that when they graduate from this program, they have the knowledge they need to pass that.
Our students, when they have finished this program, both the academic portion and their fieldwork portion, are very prepared to enter the workforce and obtain their first job as an occupational therapist in this profession, whether it's in an adult setting or a pediatric setting. They've been very successful at the pass rate of the national board exam, as well as achieving that first job.
As OTs, we're, I think, a special breed, a special bunch that we're always are quite happy and joyful, and we really have always kind of a good outlook. So our students are just very positive and very hardworking, and they really bring a lot of joy to the campus.
When it was time to go to grad school, I decided I definitely want to do healthcare, so I'm going to get my master's. And then I remember that MCPHS was like the top earning school, so I was like, oh, I should apply there. And they had an OT program, so it was perfect.
The faculty here at MCPHS and the School of Occupational Therapy cover the areas of expertise that the students really need to see and learn from. So we have expertise in adult physical disability, which is rehabilitation for individuals who've had orthopedic injuries or stroke or neurological injuries. We have expertise in mental health. We have someone who actually created the first private practice in ergonomics in the state of New Hampshire, here teaching our environmental classes and environmental modification. And we also have one of the leading experts in pediatrics in the United States, teaching all the aspects of pediatric intervention.
The benefit and the uniqueness of this program is that we have state-of-the-art equipment. We have things that are coming out in the forefront and are being used in clinics and are being used in rehab centers, and to have the students experience those and to have them practice with that and go out into the field having that knowledge base really sets our students apart.
To have the students contact me when they're done with their fieldwork experience and have that aha moment, oh my gosh, what you taught us really happens out in practice. It's a really great thing to hear, and to have the fieldwork sites contact me and say, I can't get over how wonderful the student did. We've actually offered them a job because we were so impressed.
I would definitely recommend MCPHS. The teachers are all really invested in the program, and I like the campus that it's small. All the teachers know you by name, and whenever I have an issue or questions, they're really easy to approach and easy to schedule with. So I like it. The teachers are really nice.